Hi everybody and welcome back. Now in this short lecture we're going to look at how to prevent a function from modifying a list. So I have here on the left hand side of our screen our last lecture and all the code that was involved in that. And as you know, in this lecture we modified the not checked in list to become the checked in list. And as I said in this lecture, as soon as we move a passenger from not checked in to checked in, the checked in list becomes empty. So every time we remove a passenger from this list, that's it, they're gone, there's no getting them back. So you may not always want to do this. You may decide that you want to keep a copy of the not checked in people. Now for whatever reason that might be, or for whatever list you're dealing with, you might always have to keep a copy of the original list. Well, we can address this issue by passing the function a copy of the list. Any changes made by the function will only affect the copy. You can send a copy of a list to a function like this. So let's use the function from the last lecture. Passengers, list name, square brackets, and a colon inside. And that's what's called the slice, or a slice. So it's slice notation. The slice notation makes a copy of the list to send to the function. If we didn't want to empty the list of not checked in passengers in our passengers function, we could call the passengers function like this. So passengers, so the same as above and in our last lecture, not checked in, and then we want to make a copy. We want to pass the function a copy of the list, not the original list. Checked in. And that's how we would do it there. So the only drawback to using a copy of a list is that it creates more memory usage in your system and in your program. So if possible, always use the original of your list. I hope that made sense. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.